What do you think?
Skulls. This thing, it's pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like the Halloween ornament?
Yeah.
But you wouldn't pay $90 for it, huh?
Nope.
How much would you pay?
20.
Close one. You know what we should do? We should just make our own. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's just make our own.
Already Christmas. No, close to it. Because Christmas is about Jesus, about being born, and Halloween is what? Costumes and candy. That's a big difference right now. Hey folks, today me and my dad are gonna make a wreath today. Let me introduce you to some of the things we're gonna use. First thing, the death flowers. Second thing, these thingamajiggy Thanksgiving things. Alright, next thing, we're on to the dark garland.
To go back over to the seat.
This is the dark garland. It's really dark, don't mess with it. And then last of all, we got these bag of bones from this dead person. And this basher, yeah. Apart from this dead guy's skeletons. And this is the reef ring. We're gonna hold up the reef.
I kind of like the spine too. Oh man, the feet are cool. These are all cool.
Yeah.
Alright, well.
Smasher.
Definitely one of the hands.
Yeah. So I can prank somebody with the grab on them, freak them out.
Like you'd like that? I don't know why it's a cat, but it is. Alright, so first we must put the dark garland around the frame.
Okay. We were tightening the wreath together with all its leaves. So when I saw the wreath all put together, it kind of looked like one of them, like on the very bottom that had the $90 sign. Our roof kind of looked like that one too.
Oh, really? You like that one too?
Uh-huh.
Well, you like those ornaments, huh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. And of course, the death flowers. Remember those?
Yeah. Don't eat those, kids. Those,
yeah, right?
Those are poisonous.
Those are definitely poisonous.
Poison!
They're not good for you. We didn't even put on the holiday Thanksgiving thingy-dingy, huh?
Yeah.
The wreath. Like, I don't remember, what would you call that? Like a bouquet?
That looked more like some kind of Thanksgiving kind.
Yeah, a Thanksgiving kind.
Yeah.
Definitely. And then it happened. Don't you worry, Mike. We have procedures in place for such events. Who is it? They have no idea what's waiting for them on the other side of that door. Whew.
My neighbors.
Oh, okay. Well, what's it gonna be, buddy? You know, this is the father-son thing, but as soon as you hear the doorbell, guess what happens? Michael's out. How come I can't go play? I want to go play. Oh. But what are you gonna do? Father-son time or play with the neighbor time?
Well. Bye, guys.
Go!
It's go play with the neighbors time.
It is go play with the neighbors time, apparently. And that's how I did that. Just glued it on the back there. It actually didn't work. I had to redo it. There's like hot glue and plastic don't go well together, apparently. News to me. I know, right? Remember when the skull fell and I had to redo it?
Yeah.
That was lame. So, oh yeah, you didn't help me with this one because I'm all by myself now. So what I did here is I just glued. I didn't like how the death flowers were so desperate. So I clipped them and put two black flowers with 3 green ones and 3 green ones, 2 black ones. See, like that. Just so I could put green on both sides, split up the scene a bit better. I think it worked out.
Ready Christmas? No, I'm close to it. This is Christmas in November. We're in October.
When's Christmas?
November.
You sure?
Yeah.
How sure?
Very, maybe 50% sure.
Okay, well, yeah, that's yes or no, right?
Yeah.
Whatever it is, it's not now, right?
Yeah. Halloween's closer.
Well, they got Halloween over here. What about What about poor Thanksgiving? What month is Thanksgiving in?
Is it still in October?
We're in October now. What if I told you Thanksgiving is in November? And what if I were to tell you it's Christmas that is in December?
Whoa.
Ah, alright.
Is it all coming together now?
Yeah.
Are you picking it up?